Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Well, today it's a turn on the Zontes 350 VX and V model, and it's an engine oil and filter change. This is in the Chinese subtitles, but as you can see it's easy enough to follow the process of how to do it. You don't read Chinese. This model at present is not important to the UK, but it's important to a lot of European countries, and sells very big in Asia. I like the use of this additional rubber piece. I'm not sure if it comes with the bike or not. It just stops the oil from dripping onto any of the frame at the bottom there when he's emptying the oil. And as you see, as you empty the oil, he's undoing the nut, but leaving the nut in place slightly there, so you can actually get the flow of the oil going downwards to start with rather than shooting outwards, which is a good tip for everybody to use there. Then it's a case of just letting the engine oil drain. The drain plug itself, it's just taken off, has a metal magnetic end to it, so you can see there's any iron filings on there. Generally you get a few little bits of iron filings, so you can clean them all off. Clean the washer. It's ready to go back in when all the engine oil has been ejected. Old engine oil, that is. Then when he's finished on this side, he'll go to this side and take the engine oil filter casing off. To change the engine oil filter. All these parts, the engine oil filter and seal ring, are available from your Zontes dealer to do yourself. Look in your owner's manual to see how much engine oil you replace in the bike. After either doing just an engine oil change or doing an engine oil and filter change, normally you have to put a slightly bit more engine oil in if you're doing a filter change as well. You don't have to change the filter every other service, you don't change it every service, so it's easy for yourself. The different bikes have different sections on them. This one you have to. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, join our journey. I will see you all later.